Hello students, welcome to SSD Educational Classes and I am your instructor Kashish Mehra, and today we are going to start our unit, that is meaning, definition and functions of management. Let's see what is the meaning of management. The word management is derived from the Latin word manus, which means hand. It means management is handling some activity. Management is what? Handling some activity in which we have to manage all the things, all the materials and all the resources. In olden days, people used management for completing the activity only. But nowadays, as the time passes, more features are added to the management. The modern concept of management is exhausted that it is only include handling of my activity but many other aspects. It is not only the handling one or any other activity but handling each and everything. So if we see definitions, there are many definitions has given by many authors. Mary Parker Follett has given the definition that management is an art of getting things done through other. This definition is called a traditional definition. It means management is done to get the work completed from other people. It means management is nothing but doing the work or completing the tasks with the help of other people. However, it does not consider other factors of management like management of material, finance, etc. because according to this definition is of traditional method, or we can say that this definition is of olden times. So according to new definition of Henry Fayol, he says that to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. Henry Fayol has given emphasizes mainly on the functions of management. As we are going to study about the functions of management, there are 6 functions of management and Henry Fayol has given emphasizes on the functions of management. According to Henry Fayol, is nothing only getting things done from the people, but it also includes how to do the work in a systematic manner. It means doing only the work is not the management. Getting things done by other people is not the management, but it should be done in a systematic manner. Wherever necessary, giving directions to the people and coordinating all the activity. It means we have to coordinate the people, we have to plan something, we have to organize the material. These are the functions of management. Let's see the detailed functions of management. The first and foremost function is the planning. It is the fundamental function which gives us outline about where to go, how to do, and reduce the risk of uncertain future with the help of forecasting. It means planning is nothing but it is to thinking. It is an intellectual process in which we are thinking what should be done in the future, or we are forecasting something. Second function of management is organizing. What is organizing? It is nothing but it is the synchronization and combination of workforce, physical, financial and information resources are established in the process of organizing. It means organizing in which we are organizing means we are collecting some material, manpower, money, financing, and we are getting our goal completed. With the help of organizing, we integrate all the efforts of human resources, materials and all the things in a one form so that we can complete our objectives or goals. Third function is staffing. It is the process of attracting, recruiting. Recruiting means selecting the people. Selecting is different, but recruiting means we are checking who are responsible and who can be the right person for right place. Then after interview, we select the people, we place them on the right place, we appraise our employees, we remunerate them, developing and retaining the best workforce. Next function is directing. It refers to the process or techniques of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing and leading people toward the accomplishment of organizational goal. It means, in short, we can say that directing means instructing people, guiding people so that employees can do their work in the best and possible manner. Next function is coordinating. Coordinating is the integration and synchronization of the effort of group so as to provide unity of action for organizational goal. Coordination means we are grouping the efforts of all the people, all the action in a unity form so that organization goal can be achieved. And the last function is controlling. It is the process of comparing the actual performance with the predetermined standard performance. It means when we are planning something, we maintain some standard. And controlling is the last process of management in which we compare our standard actual performance with standard performance. And when there is any deviation, we find the causes of deviation and suggest the corrective measure so that controlling can be possible. So these are the functions of management. Hope you have understood. We will continue with our next lecture.